Helicopter recycling reaches 100% sustainability. Exchange Parts AB has reached 100% sustainability in helicopter recycling, a milestone that highlights the growing role of circularity across the aerospace and MRO sectors. The company now ensures every component from a parted out helicopter is reused or processed by certified recycling specialists, a circular shift across the aerospace industry. As aviation confronts rising pressure to reduce life cycle emissions, sustainability efforts are expanding beyond fuel innovation to include end-of-life management. Aircraft recycling has grown rapidly over the past decade. The Aircraft Fleet Recycling Association, AFRA, reports that modern processes can recover up to 90% of fixed-wing aircraft materials, while advancements in rotorcraft recycling are beginning to close that gap. Demand drivers include aging global fleets require more refurbishment, supply chain delays affecting OEM component availability, rising material costs, especially aluminum and specialty alloys, net zero commitments requiring lower embedded emissions. Rotorcraft operators, in particular, rely heavily on pre-owned and overhauled parts to maintain service continuity. According to the Vertical Flight Society, demand for certified used helicopter components has grown steadily as maintenance cycles tighten and operators seek alternatives to long lead times. Exchange Parts. Full-flow circular model exchange parts approach is built on maximizing component recovery before transferring residual materials to specialists for recycling. After removing every aviation part from an airframe, the remaining structure undergoes advanced materials processing, such as alloy separation, fiberglass grinding, and differential fragmentation. We utilize a differential fragmentation process, which allows for precise material separation, said CEO Rikard Jansen. Helicopter airframes, which contain significant amounts of aluminium and other valuable metals, are processed in a way that optimizes their recovery and reintroduction into the supply chain, reducing downtime and strengthening MRO resilience. For operators, sustainable recovery is not only an environmental strategy, it is increasingly a business imperative. Pre-owned and overhauled parts can significantly lower operating costs, shorten maintenance delays, and increase fleet resilience. Faster access to high-demand components limits aircraft on-ground AOG time and provides a buffer against supply chain volatility. The company's broader project plan emphasizes collaboration with certified overhaul partners and recycling organizations. Exchange Parts is not just embracing sustainability, but leading the charge for a more eco-conscious helicopter industry, said Göran Enström, head of business development. Our comprehensive sustainability project plan is designed to make a noticeable improvement to the helicopter supply chain market. The broader regulatory and market context. Circular expectations for aerospace manufacturers and suppliers are rising as global climate and materials policies evolve. The European Commission's Circular Economy Action Plan pushes the aviation supply chain toward more transparent materials use reporting. ICAO's long-term climate roadmap highlights the importance of materials efficiency and recycling alongside emissions reduction. The U.S. Department of War has begun integrating circularity principles into procurement guidance for rotary wing fleets to improve readiness and reduce dependency on constrained supply chains. These trends align with what manufacturers have already set in motion. Airbus has stated that 95% of materials from its aircraft can be recovered with modern methods, and Boeing continues expanding its recycling partnerships across composite and aluminum fractions. You've been listening to Sustainability Soundbites presented by E+E Leader. For partnership opportunities, reach out to a member of our team.